White cable if they're the same color, but if they're different colors, it doesn't work.
Why?
I don't know.
Huh.
One of them is just like so dim you can't even see it. And the
Okay.
other one's super bright. But if they're the same color, it works. That's how I do it on this. I have the two top and bottom ones wide in, and then.
Which one did I wide? That's right. I wide the flashers.
Yeah.
The triple flash. Okay. You ready? Let's go. You go first.
All right. Come out. Wind's doing pretty good.
It is.
Pretty good on this.
It's mostly down the runway. Mike. Mike, let us fly.
Mike, let us fly.
Yeah, I got to get a new one on this one.
Mike, remember to do a few punch tests on that because I redid the glue on that. Yeah, I will. Alright, I'll go first.
You go first.
Timer cleared. Timer cleared.
Take off and do it fast from the left.
Go, I'll let you do that first.
Okay.
And then I'll come up behind you.
Oh, this is so much better. I have these batteries are so much lighter. I can actually put them further forward.
Gear up.
Are you doing fast pass?
No.
Yeah.
Well, we're close.
A little close, yeah. I don't know where you were going on that.
I don't either because the wind pushed me. I'll do a pass.
God, when it's flying, it's flying.
I don't think I've done a full-on crazy man full speed pass with this one.
There you have it. That's the old 1680 kV setup.
That's 1600. This is my own setup.
That's not the right.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
God, I'm so glad the burner isn't flickering on this anymore. It's so much better.
That's half throttle. This thing's big, but it moves a lot faster than you think.
Yeah, it's sort of tell orientation when you're out there. So go, which way's up?
I know. Just a big blob. I'll be inside, furthest from us. I'm gonna turn to the left, to the right.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Go ahead and do your fast pass ahead of me. I don't even know where you are.
Here I am.
Time remaining 32 seconds. 30 seconds.
I think it's that blue hole in the back.
It might be.
Is that like gets from the ducting?
Maybe.
I think it's that hole rippling the air. It only does it when it's going fast. I'm doing a high altitude pass.
Okay.
High altitude.
It's a lighter pack.
Yeah, these animals, I like these packs.
9, 8, 7, 6,
Okay then.
5.
Coming in.
4, 3,
Yeah, I gotta commit
2, 1. Time expired.
We were pretty close on that pass. That was cool.
Jeez, Ray, what's this go around?
I don't know. I think I'm trying to go too slow. Trying to go like the baby Hornet.
I'm all the way off to the left.
Okay. Let me cut that approach. come in faster. It's trying to come in too slow. It's trying to come in too slow. You just have to let it do its thing, you know. Get it in that that attitude, and then just use throttle.
Yeah, once you get the elevator set, just throttle it in. My elevator doesn't move.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you, Mike. I want to do it today, so I'll figure it out here in a minute. Because I just don't like that delay on the gear.
Well, if you can get past it, you can have the